Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about one input to latch output on and off with PLC. So this is literally a simple program, and this video is going to be short. So here you can see I just have an output here, a fan control. I'm just using one button to control on off. So the program flow here is initially the fan is off. Now if the fan button is pressed once, then the fan output will latch, and to turn off the fan, just press the button again, then the fan will turn off. Okay, this is a simple latch function. Okay, in IO table I have this input button, on off button, boolean. Okay, and then I have the output, also a boolean, a fan, and I have detect the pulse variable. Next I'm going to show you what are the application for this on off button. So you can see here we have push button for electronic, okay, and we have those push button for machines, and we have push button used in car. Okay, it's a literally simple program. So I'm going to show you the first program, okay, how we do it in PLC. Okay, we have this button, boolean on off button, and we have this R trigger. We will detect the rising edge of the input, and then we'll give an output, one pulse output here. This one will actually turn on and will latch this fan. Then once we turn on again this button, this variable is going to turn on one more time. So at that time, this logic is going to enable this fan to toggle through on and off. Okay, I'm gonna dive in straight to the simulation, log in and run. So it's already running. Yes. Okay, we can see here this is running. Then I'm gonna just double click here. Okay, you can see. Then when I turn it off, see, the fan is on now. Okay, so if I'm gonna click another one more time, see, the fan is off. So this is a simple program. Okay, so I'm going to show you another program which is with the HMI. So I'm going to log off, and I'm gonna this the one. So it's the same program I have. I see as in rung 1 and rung 2. On top of that, I have this other control here to show the visualization. Okay, let's move on to the simulation. Okay, so I'm gonna just press this button. Then you can see the motor, the fan. Sorry, you can see the fan is actually turning. So the animation is working fine. And then if I press one more time, it turns off. So it is, you can do anything you want. So for this, this is the animation I use to show the motor, to show the fan rotating. Okay, so that's it. So this is a simple program that you can use. That's it from me now. Watch for my other upcoming video to show you tips and guides on how to do PLC programming and simulation. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. If you like the video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon, and share.